ICF Swimming installation continues. Let's have a look at how I'm doing the base. So the base of the swimming pool is now prepared. After doing some measurements, I realised that I didn't have to have my pipes channeled into the soil, so I filled those channels in. Then what we've done, we've squared it off. To do that, we measure from that corner to that corner, do the same distance this end, then that corner to that corner, the same distance this end, and then we measure across diagonally both ways. If both those diagonal measurements are the same, then we know we're squared and we're not a trapezium. For the base itself, we've got damp-proof membrane underneath, our rods hammered in all the way around the outside. They're going to be taking our main ICS when we do the pour. We've also got about 25mm of insulation. It's kind of nominal, I don't really have to have it. And then as you can see on top of that, we've got our rebar reinforcement ready to go on with 50mm spacers, and then on top of this we're going to have about 125mm at one end to about 160mm at the other, because when we did the dig and pulled it all out, it was slightly out of level. I mean, it's very hard to get that right. One thing that has been a bit of a difficulty is getting these to be exactly the right height. These are the sumps that we use, one here, and we piping them over and up, and I'll be showing you that piping in a future video. It's been a lifesaver using a laser level when it comes to getting all our levels across. It's much better than using string lines and all the rest of it. We're going to be having about 3 cubic meters of concrete poured in here sometime next week, so make sure you stick around to see how we get on with this ICF pool build. See you soon.